So hey awesome ones, Heather here. Now I have to admit, sometimes these days we just throw on clothes and say, that'll do. But pretty soon we're going to have to really put together our outfits and start to look classy and chic again. So I've put together this video for you on 4 inspirational outfits and also some tips and tricks for when we're going to get dressed up again. And by the way, a lot of these items you probably have in your closet, so why not take a look at the video, shop your closet, and maybe take a cell phone pic of what you look like for those days when we're out and about again. So just before I show you these put together kind of classic outfits, I gotta mention that this year I'm seeing a lot of trends in, the oversized men's jackets or the really big baggy pants, even dragging on the ground. And basically, it's a no shape kind of look. And if any of you remember the grunge looks, how many of you remember the grunge look? Well, it really was a passing fad, and I think that's what this is going to be. So maybe you might want to choose not to invest your money in a lot of clothing that's going to be here today and gone tomorrow, and maybe invest in some of the classic pieces that I'm showing here that definitely pass the times and the fads and the fashions. So let's get started. Let's take a look at my first outfit. So one way to really look put together is to add a topper in a classic camel color. Now, as you know, I really love my classic camel coat, and also I like to add sometimes maybe a nice scarf with it, or also black leather gloves look beautiful with it as well. But also in the warmer weather, you can exchange the coat for perhaps a camel cardigan, or even a blazer like the one I'm wearing. So underneath this outfit, I have chosen a slimming silhouette with a black top and a black skirt, but I could have also chosen maybe a gray silhouette or a navy or even a white. But with this outfit, I have the black hose, the faux suede jacket, and to look even more put together, I added a black stretchy belt, booties, and a classic black bag. So my next outfit includes a classic blue shirt. Now this blue shirt can be an Oxford style, maybe in just the regular sky blue, or also you can, I've seen them trending in stripes as well. So this is a classic and it works with a classic put together wardrobe. Let's take a look. So for this inspiration outfit with the blue shirt, I decided to go for this striped version, and also I really like to tie it in the front. I'm also wearing a white form-fitted cami underneath it, which helps kind of slim my look, plus capri pants. Now, I like my sleeves rolled up. It still looks classic, it still looks pulled together, but you could leave them long if you wish. A rose gold handbag and rose pumps, they really complete the look. So as most of you know, we have a little awesome over 50 community going here, and we love to share things. So if you have maybe a kind of look that's your go-to for confidence boosting, let us know in the comments. Or maybe you have that one piece like my coat here, my camel coat, just love it, that you want to share that really helps you with your self-confidence. Just put them in the comments for us. And here's another item, or another outfit I should say, that you can definitely shop your closet for, and it's the classic white and black outfit. For this look, I have the black pants and the black top, which, as we all know, really helps to give you a slimming silhouette. And moto jackets are still trending, and I love this one in white. And to add a bit of flair, you could always add a black and white scarf. And although any shoe or bootie would do, I wanted to show the classic black pump. At the black pump, it just goes with almost everything. And I added a small black purse and, of course, dark sunglasses. So for my next inspiration outfit, there's a reminder to bring out some of your classic scarves that you have. And did you know that I did a video on 20 different ways to kind of style scarves? And what I'm going to do is on the end screen of this video, I'm going to put the link for you, but also for spring and summer, don't forget the beautiful pastel colors. This is the pink, and of course, I'm wearing the blue. So here I'm wearing a lovely pastel pink blazer, but to tell the truth, I could have worn any of my blazers for this look. What I wanted to show you particularly is how to use scarves, and I did a wraparound, a very simple wraparound with one of my favorite scarves, and it just adds a little something to this look. I have a V-neck white top underneath, plus a pair of comfy jeans. Now, although these are looser fitting jeans than the skinny jeans, they're not sloppy. I still have a nice look with my pink pumps, and I also added a touch of whimsy with this fun kind of purse with a message on it that I think we all need right now. Proof positive that you can still have some fun putting together a classic look. Oh, and by the way, if you're liking this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell, and that way you'll be notified when my videos are out. And as I told you before, a lot of these items you can shop your closet for, but maybe you're saying, I really want to get that, or whatever you decide on. Did you know that Amazon gave us at Awesome Over 50 our own storefront? We're so excited about that, and we've loaded it up with hundreds of items, including fashion I love, the makeup I love, skincare, even some household items. So all you have to do is go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 and you'll find the items there, so enjoy. Now, thinking about being put together and being stylish, let's bring out Mr. Hurricane. So here he is, looking oh so put together, yes you are, in his beautiful little sweater. And when Hurricane comes on the scene, he reminds me to talk about future videos. And of course, I've got more fashion and makeup and also skincare. But a lot of you have been asking me about hair care. And today, I actually use some heated rollers on my hair, and I haven't used heated rollers on my hair for like, well, decades now. How many of you, I'd like to know in the comments, either are using heated rollers or remember back in the days when we had those spongy pink ones and we had to sleep on them overnight? I have naturally curly hair, but sometimes when I really want to put a put-together look and look a little bit more tamed with my wild hair, I will sort of get it all curly. So I'm doing a video, long story short, I'm doing a video on that very, very shortly for you. One of the things that I just want to mention here again is just because there's a trend out there and they're saying fashion for this year doesn't mean that you have to fall into it. You know, when I think of, I never did the grunge look. I never thought it was me, and you might be feeling the same way. So classic and put together is always a go, especially for the awesome ones.